In what context should we put Credit Suisse?
Well, it's a large bank, a large global bank. It has relationships with large global institutions all over the planet, including here at home. So in that context, if it runs into trouble and can't get the equity that it needs to continue to operate, obviously that would be an issue. But having said that, this particular institution, Credit Suisse, has had some trouble for quite some time, and so it's not surprising. I mean, it's surprising what happened today, but generally not surprising that it's struggling. So I'd be surprised if other large global financial institutions haven't already factored that in terms of the business that they're doing with Credit Suisse. So, it's not great. It's certainly not great in the context of the bank failures that we suffered here earlier this week. Everyone's on edge, and it just adds to the angst. But in the grand scheme of things, I don't think this is a thing that's going to do us in or be the cause of any kind of recession.
Yeah, the timing, of course, is unfortunate because, as you noted, this is a bank that has struggled with its business model for years now. But it comes at a time when there's a lot of people nervous and questioning the state and the health of the global financial system. And like some of these regional banks, there's concern that some of these European banks, though they may be well capitalized and stronger, also hold a lot of long-term treasury that has been devalued as we have seen interest rate hikes go up around the world. How much should Americans be focused on the health of larger financial institutions in Europe and the United States right now?
Well, not in the United States. I mean, I think large U.S. banks, financial institutions are on very solid ground. In the world after the financial crisis a little over a decade ago, lots of reforms were put into place, and these large institutions have been required to build a lot of capital. That's the cash cushion that they hold to digest any losses that they might suffer on their lending or security. So they're in really good shape. I don't see, any problem there.